I'm Clarissa from Easy Life Kitchens Brackenfell. I had team signature Chardonnay, Beulah and Fefe.
Hallo, ek is Jade van Easy Life Kitchens en my span is Signature Shannon, Tiana en Ronel.
Hi, I'm Amelia from Easy Life Kitchens, and on this season of My Design Rules, I worked with our signature Shiraz with Zanel and Lee.
Dit was definitief 'n stresvolle situasie, veral met die deadlines. Maar om deel te wees van My Design Rules het my baie geleer, veral hoe om te project manage met verskillende kontrakteurs.
There was a moment on site where I realized why I love what I do, and that was when everything started coming together and the house felt like a home.
What I loved working most with Beulah and Fefe was the fact that they worked beautifully with one another.
So, oor die algemeen is daar nie een perfectionist tussen ons nie, veral nie tussen Tiana en Ronel nie. Van beide kante af het ons saam gedoen wat verwag word. And yeah, we just did it.
If you want a TV-worthy kitchen, visit Easy Life Kitchens today.
As jy 'n projek wil aanpak soos My Design Rules, kontak gerus vir Easy Life Kitchens.